Hello everyone and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Daniel Firdaus bin Muhammad Razif. My matrix number is 33 DPE 20F 2001. Today I'm gonna talk about drug abuse among teenagers, their history, facts and more. These are the contents that I'm gonna present to you. What is drug? How does drug affect to daily life? Use of drug among teenagers. Tips to not use or stay away from drug. Okay, what is drug? A drug is any substance that causes a change in an organism's physiology or psychology when consumed. Drugs are typically distinguished from food and substances that provide nutritional support. Consumption of drugs can be via inhalation, injection, smoking, ingestion, absorption via a patch on the skin, suppository, or dissolution under the tongue. How does drug affect the daily life? Drugs have different effects depending on the drug itself, the person taking it, and their surroundings. Okay. How pot affects your mind and body? Marijuana, weed, pot, dope, grass. There are many different names for the same drug that comes from the cannabis plant. You can smoke it, vape it, drink it, or eat it, but most folks use marijuana for pleasures and recreations. But a growing number of doctors prescribe it for specific medical conditions and symptoms. Marijuana has mind-altering compounds that affect both your brain and body. It can be addictive and it may be harmful to some people's health. Here's what can happen when you use marijuana. You can get the effects of high, which means euphoria. Many intoxicating substances lead to cognitive decline, memory difficulty, and mood changes when they are abused for a long time. And ketamine is no exception. People who abuse this anesthetic have trouble with memory, issues with thinking clearly, and mood swings. Impairment in creating new memories, accessing old memories, verbal memories, etc. Short-term memory and visual memories continue while the person abuses ketamine. These are likely to improve when a person gets help overcoming ketamine addiction. These are the use of drugs among teenagers. These are the statistics. Okay, look at that. Okay, by gender, for men, it has 95.8%. For women, 4.2% in Malaysia. These are the number of drug and substance abusers and addicts. 95,505 individuals. Most ethnicity is Malay, 78.3 Malaysia, which is so disappointing. Indian just 5.9, Chinese 7.5, Sarawak 1.8, Sabah 4.9, others 1.6. Age category, children 0 to 12 years, 0.002%. 1.3% for adolescents 13 to 18 years, 64.8 youth 19 to 39 years, 33.8 for adult 40 years plus. 0.1 no information, 91 individual only. Okay. Common reason teen abuse drug includes curiosity, peer pressure, stress, emotional struggles, a desire to escape. A curiosity, which means you want to try something new. For peer pressure, your friend is pressuring you to take drugs. For stress, you don't have any solution for your stress, so you take drugs. Emotional struggles, just seem like stress lah. A desire to escape, same only. Some common signs of teen drug abuse include bad grades, bloodshot eyes. Bloodshot eyes means they got an eye bag, black eye bag, so big, and they like to laughing for no reason. loss of interest in activities, poor hygiene, diminished personal appearance, which mean their appearance is untidy, avoiding eye contact, frequent hunger or munchies, smell of smoke on breath or clothes, secretive behavior, unusual tiredness, missing curfew. Okay. These are teenage cannabinoid abuse. Marijuana, also known as pot weed, Mary Jane, reefer ganja, and many other nicknames, is an extremely popular drug sought out for its sedative effects on the mind and body, popularly referred as getting high, which means euphoria effects. 38% of high school students report using marijuana. Marijuana is combined with alcohol or other drugs to create a longer or more intense high. A synthetic marijuana, also known as spice, black mamba or K2, is a combination of herbs and man-made chemical with psychoactive effect that is designed to mimic the effect of marijuana. However, these drugs are very dangerous than marijuana and not good for your health. Tips to not use or stay away from drugs. You need to build habits to stay busy. Sweat it out. Just cut out toxic relationship. You need to cut out relationship with your man, and you need to know your teens' activities. Pay attention to your teens' whereabouts. Find out what adult supervised activities your teen is interested in. Encourage him or her to get involved. You need to establish rules and consequences. Explain your family rules, such as leaving a party where drug use occurs and not riding in a car with a driver who's been using drugs. Know your teenage friends. If your teenage friends use drugs, your teen might feel pressure to experiment it too. Keep track of prescription drugs. Take an inventory of all prescription and over-the-counter medication in your home. And you need to provide support, offer praise and encouragement where your teen succeeds. A strong bond between you and your teen might help prevent your teen from using drugs. After that, you need to set a good example. If you drink, do so in moderation. Use prescription drug as directed. Don't use illicit drugs. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you. Don't use drugs, please. Thank you.